pie chart. Okay, if the total amount spent here, first we will understand what is given. So savings 15 percentage, savings 15 percentage. Okay, this is expenditure of a family. So I forgot to copy some of the things. Expenditure of a family. Okay, in the year 1999. In the year 1999, what is given is expenditure of a family in the year 1999. Out of the total salary, they are spending 5% salary on transport, or 12% on education of children, housing rent like that 15 percentage, clothing expenditure 10 percentage, food expenditure 23 percentage, savings expenditure 15 percentage. Savings also they are doing, that is also considered as percentage here. On others, okay, miscellaneous, it is 20 percentage. Now the same pie chart information is given in table also. In the year 1999, this is the expenditure of a family, whatever may be the total income. Okay, they are spending this much amount on each of the items. Okay, each of the thing. Now I'm going to first question. If the total amount spent during 1999 was 46,000, the amount spent on food was, okay, food, how much amount they are spending. So total salary, which is to be taken as 100 percentage, is 46,000 rupees they are getting total salary. And the food spent on food, okay, money spent on food, it is from the pie chart we are having information 23 percentage. Now 23 percentage, when you want to remove the percentage divided by 100, converting to percentage means into 100, removing percentage means divided by 100 into the total amount 46,000. Okay, this is the actual money spent on food. Now two zeros cancel. This is 23 into 460. We will multiply by the side. It is 0, 18, 1, 13, 0, 12, 1, 9, 0, 8, 5, 10. 10,580 rupees they are spending on food. 10,580 rupees they are spending on food. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Now I am going to 11th question. If the total amount spent was 46,000, total expenditure means on all the items. Okay, all items together, they are spending 100 percentage amount, which is 46,000. Because in the pie chart, savings also given as expenditure only. Others, miscellaneous also given as expenditure only. Okay, so total money is 46,000. How much money was spent on clothing and housing together? Okay, what they are asking, clothing plus housing together. Clothing plus housing together. So clothing it is 10 percentage, plus housing it is 15 percentage. Okay, totally it is 25 percentage money spent. If you want to get the exact amount, 25 divided by 100 into the total money 46,000. So two zeros cancelled, and we are left out with 460 into 25. 460 into 25. If we multiply 0, 33, 23, 0, 12, 1, 9, 0, 0, 5, 11. 11,500 rupees together on clothing and housing they are spending. 11,500. Again, option B is having the answer. Okay. Now I am going to the next problem. Information is same. You can see by the side. Same pie chart, same information. This is the expenditure of a family. Okay, in the year 1999. 1999 expenditure of a family. Okay, now the first question number 12. Question number 12, the ratio of total of money spent on housing to the money spent on education. Okay, what they are asking, ratio of money spent on housing divided by education. Money spent on housing by education. Okay, so in the pie chart you can see housing it is 15 percentage, and then education it is 12 percentage. You cannot directly cancel it. Okay, because our actual money and percentage it differs. We will try to do 15 by 100 into 46,000. and then 12 by 100 into 46,000. Okay, now you can claim the doubt. Actually here whatever cancellation possible, 100 gets cancelled, 46,000 gets cancelled. So directly we can go with 15 by 12. Okay, cancellation is allowed. And now the value is 5 by 4. 5 by 4. 5 is to 4 is the ratio. Money spent on housing to money spent on education, it is 5 is to 4. Now I am going to question number 13. Question number 13. Graph shows that the maximum amount was spent on. You can see the table also says the same information. Pie chart or the table, okay, it is same information. You can see on which they are spending the maximum amount. Okay, savings 15%, food is 23%, clothing 10, housing 15, education 12, transport 5, others 20%. Okay, you can see maximum amount is spent on food. Okay, maximum amount is spent on food. Okay, answer is in option B. I'm going to the last problem. If the total expenditure of the family for the year 1999 was 46,000, total expenditure means they are spending on all the items. Okay, the family savings is also considered as expenditure only. Okay, expenditure is 100%. Whatever salary is there, that is 100%. Whatever expenditure is there, that is also 100%, because in the pie chart it is given savings also included as expenditure. Okay, now you can see savings they are doing, which is 15%, and the total salary is 46,000. Salary is 46,000. Now what is the exact amount they are saving on this total salary? So two zeros cancel. It is 460 into 15. If we multiply by the side, this is 0, 30, 23, 0, 6, 4, 0, 0, 9, 6. 6,900 rupees they are saving. Okay, 15%, 6,900 rupees. It is in option C. It is available in option C. Okay. So with this, I am closing data interpretation. With this, I am closing data interpretation. We have seen line charts, bar charts, tabular form, okay, pie charts. Only thing is data is represented. Data interpretation means data is represented. We have to understand